Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a few essentials. Your Android TV and phone must be on the same Wi-Fi and both signed into the same Google account. On your phone, open the Google Home app and make sure it's updated. Once done, power on the TV and confirm it's connected to the network. You'll need Bluetooth briefly, so enable it on the phone. This prepares both devices for discovery and linking. Make sure software versions match to avoid compatibility issues. Now you link the TV inside Google Home. Tap Add, choose Setup Device, then Works with Google. Once there, search for your TV brand or select Android TV. When the service appears, sign in with the same Google account and authorize the connection. On the TV, you may see a pairing code. Enter it in the app. After granting microphone and remote control permissions, wait for Google Home to confirm the device is linked and assign to a room for voice. Finish by testing and customizing. Say a command like, "Hey Google, play YouTube on living room TV" to verify playback and remote control. Once it works, set the TV's room, preferred media apps, and input behavior in the device settings to improve future commands. If something fails, reboot the TV, phone, and router, reauthorize the account connection in Google Home, and ensure both devices are updated. If problems persist, remove and re-add the TV. This often clears pairing or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.